Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
And I'm Linda. We're so happy you're joining us today, whether you're commuting, relaxing, or studying hard.
Today, we're tackling 3 contrast words: despite, although, and however.
These words all show contrast, a difference or unexpected result.
But they work in completely different ways grammatically.
Using them correctly makes your English sound natural and sophisticated.
By the end of this episode, you'll use all 3 with confidence.
Before we begin, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these 3 words do.
They all introduce a contrast, something unexpected or opposite.
Despite is a preposition. It's followed by a noun or noun phrase.
Although is a conjunction. It connects 2 clauses.
However is a linking adverb. It connects 2 separate sentences.
Let's look at each one carefully.
Word 1, despite.
Despite shows that something happens even though there is an obstacle.
The key idea is the obstacle did not stop the result.
Despite plus noun, noun phrase, or gerund, ing word.
Despite the rain. Despite being tired. Despite his efforts.
Uses of despite.
Use 1, despite plus noun.
Despite the traffic, she arrived on time. Despite the cold, we went outside.
Use 2, despite plus gerund.
Despite feeling sick, he went to work. Despite being nervous, she spoke clearly.
Use 3, despite the fact that plus clause.
Despite the fact that it was raining, we had a picnic.
This is how you use despite with a full sentence. Add the fact that.
Use 4. Position in a sentence.
Despite the noise, I slept well. Or, I slept well despite the noise.
Despite can go at the beginning or the end.
Word 2, although.
Although connects 2 contrasting clauses in one sentence.
The key idea is 2 facts that seem to contradict each other.
Structure: although plus subject plus verb, a full clause.
Although it was raining, we had a picnic.
Uses of although.
Use 1, although at the beginning.
Although she studied hard, she didn't pass. Although he's rich, he's not happy.
Use 2, although in the middle.
She didn't pass, although she studied hard. He's not happy, although he's rich.
Use 3, with all tenses.
Past: although it rained, we went out. Present: although I'm tired, I'll help. Future: although it may be hard, I'll try.
Use 4, even though is very similar to although.
Even though she was exhausted, she finished the race.
Both work the same grammatical way.
Word 3, however.
However connects 2 separate sentences to show contrast.
The key idea is a pivot. The second sentence surprises us after the first.
Structure: sentence 1, however, sentence 2.
It was raining, however, we still had our picnic.
Uses of however.
Use 1, at the beginning of the second sentence.
The test was difficult, however, most students passed.
Use 2, in the middle of the second sentence.
The test was difficult, most students, however, passed.
Use 3, always use a comma.
After however at the start, however, she was right.
Around however in the middle, she was, however, right.
The comma is essential, don't forget it.
Use 4, used in formal writing and professional English.
However sounds more formal than but or although.
Great for essays, emails, and business communication. The key differences.
Despite is a preposition, despite plus noun or ing.
Although is a conjunction, although plus subject plus verb, one sentence.
However is a linking adverb, sentence, however, sentence.
Let's see them all in a conversation.
Alex, how was your job interview yesterday?
Well, despite my nerves, I think it went really well.
That's great. Were you prepared?
Although I hadn't slept much the night before, I had practiced a lot.
And what about the commute? Wasn't there a train strike?
Yes, the trains were completely canceled. However, I took a taxi and arrived 5 minutes early.
Wow, what was the interviewer like?
She seemed very serious at first. However, she warmed up quickly. Although the questions were tough, I stayed calm. Despite being nervous inside, I smiled and kept going.
Did they mention the salary?
They offered less than I expected. However, the benefits package is excellent. Although the pay is lower, I'm seriously considering it. Did you notice all three words?
Despite my nerves. Despite plus noun.
Although I hadn't slept much. Although plus subject plus verb.
However, I took a taxi. Sentence. However, sentence.
Despite being nervous inside. Despite plus gerund.
Although the questions were tough. Although plus clause.
However, the benefits package is excellent, linking two ideas across sentences.
All three contrasting naturally.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using despite with a full clause.
Wrong. Despite she was tired, she worked. Correct. Although she was tired, she worked.
Or, despite being tired, she worked. Use a noun or ing after despite.
Mistake 2. Using although to start a new sentence incorrectly.
Wrong. It was cold, although we went out. That's not how although works.
Correct. Although it was cold, we went out. One sentence, not two.
Mistake 3. Using however without a comma.
Wrong. She was late, however, she came. Correct. She was late, however, she came. However needs a period before it and a comma after it.
Mistake 4. Using despite and although interchangeably without checking grammar.
Wrong. Despite that she studied, she failed. Correct. Although she studied, she failed.
Despite does not take a subject plus verb directly.
Add the fact that if you want to use a clause. Despite the fact that she studied, she failed.
Mistake 5. Putting however in the middle of one sentence with a comma.
Wrong. She worked hard, however, she failed. This is a comma splice.
Correct. She worked hard, however, she failed. Use a period, not a comma.
Despite in different contexts.
Work and effort.
Despite working overtime, he missed the deadline. Despite our best efforts, the project failed.
Health and physical challenges.
Despite her injury, she finished the race. Despite the pain, he kept smiling.
Weather and conditions.
Despite the storm, the event continued. Despite the heat, the players performed brilliantly.
Feelings and emotions.
Despite being scared, she jumped. Despite feeling rejected, he tried again.
Although in different contexts.
Opinions and facts. Although many people disagree, I think he's right. Although the data looks promising, we need more research.
Abilities and outcomes. Although she can cook well, she rarely does. Although he tried his best, it wasn't enough.
Appearances versus reality. Although the house looks small, it's actually very spacious. Although he seems confident, he's quite shy.
Comparisons. Although Tokyo is crowded, it's incredibly organized. Although the price is high, the quality is worth it.
However, in different contexts.
Formal writing and essays.
The results appeared positive. However, further testing is required.
Business and professional situations.
We appreciate your offer. However, we are unable to accept at this time.
Everyday spoken contrast.
The food was amazing. However, the service was very slow.
News and reporting.
The team performed well in the first half. However, they struggled after the break. Comparing them directly.
Same idea, 3 different ways.
Despite the rain, we went. Despite plus noun.
Although it was raining, we went. Although plus clause.
It was raining. However, we went. 2 sentences linked.
Same contrast. 3 different grammatical tools.
Sentence positions.
Despite can know at the start or end.
Despite the delay, we arrived. Or, we arrived despite the delay.
Although can go at the start or middle.
Although I was tired,
I cooked. Or, I cooked although I was tired with great effort.
However usually starts the second sentence or sits in the middle.
I was tired, however, I cooked. Or, I was tired, I cooked, however, with great effort. Real-life scenarios.
At school.
Despite failing the first test, she passed the course. Although the subject was hard, he loved it. The class was difficult, however, the teacher was excellent.
At work.
Despite the tight deadline, we delivered on time. Although the client was demanding, the deal was worth it. The salary was low, however, the experience was priceless.
Travel.
Despite the canceled flight, we made it. Although the city was chaotic, we loved it. The hotel was basic, however, the location was perfect.
Relationships.
Despite their differences, they stayed together. Although they argued often, they always made up. They had very little in common, however, they were deeply in love.
Health and fitness.
Despite the bad weather, she ran every morning. Although losing weight is hard, the results are worth it. The diet was strict, however, her energy levels improved dramatically.
With formal writing.
Academic essays. Despite significant evidence, critics remain unconvinced.
Although the study is limited, its findings are valuable.
The experiment showed promising results, however, the sample size was too small.
These 3 words will elevate your writing immediately.
Common collocations.
With despite.
Despite everything. Despite all odds. Despite the fact that. Despite repeated attempts.
With although.
Although technically correct. Although widely believed. Although unexpected.
With however.
It should be noted, however, this does not, however, mean, however, unlikely. Memory tricks.
To remember.
Despite equals despite the blank, fill in a noun or ing word.
Although equals although blank blank. Fill in a subject and verb.
However equals full stop. However, new sentence, 2 sentences.
Think of it this way.
Despite equals despite a thing.
Although equals although something happens.
However equals one idea, however, a different idea.
Quick review.
Despite equals preposition shows contrast with a noun or ing form.
Despite the cold, despite working hard, despite everything.
Although equals conjunction shows contrast within one sentence.
Although she tried, she couldn't. She couldn't, although she tried.
However equals linking adverb connects 2 separate sentences with contrast.
The plan failed. However, we learned a lot.
Despite plus noun or gerund equals despite the problem.
Although plus subject plus verb equals although it was hard.
However plus comma equals sentence, however, sentence. Never say despite she was tired, say despite being tired or although she was tired.
Never say it rained, although we went out. Although needs a full clause, not a new sentence.
Never forget the comma after however.
These 3 words show contrast, elegantly and naturally.
You now have 3 powerful tools for expressing contrast in English.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give us a thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear, practical English lessons.
Leave a comment below. Write 1 sentence using each of the 3 words.
We love reading your practice sentences.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building that confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.